Hey everybody, today I'm doing a mask video. This is my Glam Glow. I decided today I'm doing a mask. The end. Just kidding. But as you can see, I've really used a lot of this stuff. And it's a sparkly, beautiful thing with stars. And did I say sparkles? It's sparkly and I still have some stuff on my face. That's okay. And it comes with a brush, which it's kind of still has some stuff on it. I dipped it in there and I was like, oh, wait, I'm going to do a video. And so that's what happened. But it's really fun and easy, and I really like how it feels. It kind of has a tingly feel to it, which some may not like, but I happen to like. And it's supposed to tone your face. It says you can stir it. I haven't had to stir it. Apply a generous, even layer to clean skin with brush, avoiding eyebrows and hairline. Avoid the hairline. I probably need to pull my hair back. I've gotten that stuff in my hair, and it is not a good time to get out. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Once completely dry, gently peel off from edges. So, those are the rules. Follow the rules. I'm going to go ahead and stick my stuff in there and wipe it on my face. I actually use a lot of this stuff. It says apply a generous amount, so you know. And then we just go to town everywhere. Sparkles. Look at all these sparkles. It kind of feels cool on your skin too. I dig it. Now, this is not to be confused with a charcoal mask. It's not quite the same thing. It doesn't rip off all your hairs and all of your life. It's just, it may peel off the first layer. I'm not sure of all the chemistry behind it, but I know I like it because it feels good and it makes the skin look good. It may not look good now, but sometimes things just, you gotta look crazy to look pretty sometimes. Know what I'm saying? And we just lather this guy up. I will definitely be buying this again once it runs out. I like it that much. I actually haven't heard of anybody not liking it. I have combination skin. It doesn't make me really oily or anything. It seems to even out my skin, and it tones it. And let's not get stars in our mouth, please. I'm going to do it on my forehead too. Yellow. Now, the peeling off session I've noticed is not as perfect. I might add, when you go peeling it off, it doesn't always come off at once together, is what I mean. It likes to do its own thing sometimes. Have some rebellious little parts to me, I guess. Maybe it's not like that for everybody. But just FYI, it will start pulling and it'll come off in a chunk, but it doesn't all come off at once always. Sometimes I'll put it on my neck too if I'm feeling frisky. Now I got a star in my hair. Got it. So this is it. Hi. If this isn't scary, I don't know what is. Oh, shoot, fire. Okay, we're okay. So this is what it looks like on you. So glamorous. Sparkling for days. I kind of missed a spot, but that's okay. It's a mask. It'll be just fine. This is what it looks like. I'm going to leave it on until it gets dry, and then I'm going to peel it off, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So stay tuned. Buckle up your seat. No, I'm just kidding. Don't buckle up your seat. Well, you need to buckle up your seatbelts, but not for a mask. I got some mask in my powder. Oops. Anyway, I'll check back with you guys here soon once I'm all dry, and I'll show you some peeling off action. So be back soon. Hey, my face is really dry. So I'm pretty much dry now. I can touch it and it's not wet anywhere. Nothing on my fingers. So I'm gonna just start peeling it off of my face. Oh, I guess some of it might still be wet. I got my hair in it. It doesn't really hurt. It just pulls your skin a little. I probably shouldn't have went that close to underneath my eye. And that's kind of what it looks like. It just kind of all comes off. I did get some in my hair, like I said, don't do. Do as I say, not as I do. Darn it. See, it's just really sticky and gross in there. I know. Might have to add some water. I've got like some moisturizing stuff here. If you can see that. Just to get off the rest of the stuff, I'm gonna rub that on. Ugh. Dripping everywhere. That way I'm not having to pull my face off. I don't know why that hair looks so orange. It's not orange. Yay, all clean. Minus this side. We'll try it again. Now it peeled off. It does a really good job of moisturizing your face. I like to do it at night just because it takes a while. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for some more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.